Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chuck roast steaks. Alright guys, what I have here is I have a chuck roast. This is black Angus. It's roughly 2.5 pounds. Cost me $17.15. Now we know nowadays the price of meat is outrageous and I need 6 steaks for supper. So where can I get 6 steaks for $17? So I'm going to cut this into steaks and we're going to give this a try and see how it works out. Alright, this one of these rare occasions you get to see me use a knife. I'm going to go ahead and slice this into 6 steaks. And let's see, right there and right there. These are going to be nice thick steaks. Now the only downside to this is you can see the center here is a little loose, so when I fry these they might separate. But we're going to see how it works out. I'm going to cut this one into 3 steaks. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and season these up. Let me wipe my hands off quick with some paper towel. And I'm going to keep my seasoning simple. I'm going to put a little bit of meat tenderizer, seasoned meat tenderizer on these. And I'm going to put some steak seasoning. This is like Montreal steak seasoning. Go ahead and pat that down. Now I'm going to flip these over and season the other side. Alright, now on my large cast iron skillet I have preheated. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And the secret is you want to fry these fast and high. Then we're going to finish them off in the oven. That's your best bet for a tender steak. So I'm going to get some olive oil in here. And I'm going to mix this around. We're going to get our steaks in here. And I'm going to put a good sear on both sides of the steaks. Okay, now that my steaks are all nice and golden brown and smelling delicious, I'm going to put them in the 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Because they're so thick and we like our steaks medium well to well done. If you'd like your steak a little more rare, you want to cut back on the time. So I'm going to put them in there for about 15 minutes and then we'll pull them out. Alright guys, these just came out of the oven. I'm going to transfer them to a plate and let them rest for a few minutes, and we'll go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went and made some garlic smashed potatoes to go with this and some French style green beans. Let's cut into this and see how it's going to be. It feels tender. You see the steak is a nice medium well done. Give that a try. It's tender, well seasoned. And I'll tell you what guys, where else can you get 6 steaks for $17? I mean really. Alright, there you have it. Chuck roast steaks. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.